Good morning everybody and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. If you're new here, my name's Robin, and if you're returning for Vlogmas, thank you so much for being a part of this Vlogmas. So today, what am I doing today? I'm going to be going to Starbucks, obviously, the grocery store, and honestly not too much today. Tomorrow's going to be more exciting, but you'll have to tune in to see what tomorrow is. But yeah, I know that yesterday's Vlogmas wasn't too exciting, but I'm still getting the hang of this of vlogging every day, all day, trying to get clips from my entire day. But just wanted to come on and say welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I'm gonna get ready and then head out, and I'm gonna get the gingerbread chai latte from Starbucks. If you have not tried it, go and try it. It is amazing. And let's just get into Vlogmas Day 3. Okay, so I'm ready to go, and I did my hair in these cute like little braids, and just wanted to do a quick little check-in, and yeah, let's get going. Okay, I'm gonna set you up and do my little OOTD. I'm wearing this long sweater, which is from Garage, and then just some black jeans, and I'm just gonna do my winter jacket, and then just some sneakers. But oh yeah, editing. I've been doing editing for Vlogmas, and I really like the way that my content is coming out so far. So I'm really excited. Where did I put I lost my adapter cord. Oh no, this is not good. Adapter cord. Okay, well, I need to find my adapter cord or YouTube is combuzzled. I found it. I really need to put it in the box better, but it's the USB-C to USB, so that my computer connects to my cord that connects to my phone to be able to edit my videos, because my computer is not compatible with my USB. I don't know. And when I get my camera, I'm kind of like a little bit worried on how the compatibility is going to be to my computer, but fingers crossed it's good, because I need a camera. I need to update my footage. So thank goodness I found this, or Vlogmas would have been a bust. But I need to go. I think I might do a little bit of editing before I leave, because I don't want to be too far behind. Yeah. So obviously I've just been sitting here editing, but I just wanted to kind of come on and say my goal for Vlogmas is to be completely open, raw, and unedited. So I'm trying to not edit out as much as I normally have before in vlogs. So honestly, just a lot of real, raw footage coming your way. I just want to be really transparent and open this Vlogmas and keep things as normal / natural as possible. So be prepared for the ride. Hey guys, I didn't vlog much today because I kind of had a difficult day, like emotionally, but it's okay, we're fine. It's just every time I wanted to pick up the vlog camera, to vlog something, I was like, I really don't feel like it, and I didn't want to do like fake content in a way where I'm just creating things just to create things and it's not real, and we're going through a lot right now. But anyways, I'm making dinner. I'm making some squash in this little gravel, which if you've watched my videos, you've seen that before. And then I'm making these, I've already sauteed them, onions and peppers, and then I'm gonna make some popcorn. And I'm just gonna chill. I also finished editing my video before I left, and I started exporting it, so I just want to make sure that it's exported. But yeah, then I'm just gonna chill, and I'll catch up with you guys hopefully again in a little bit. So I got these new Christmas mugs, and they're so cute. So I'm gonna make my tea in here tonight. I'm just gonna do a peppermint. I have so many teas in here, but I'm just gonna do this organic peppermint tea. Also in here, I have my cough syrup. Don't mind the napkins, I was just cleaning it up. I have my cough syrup because I have a cough. And this is the one that I bought. It's the Suro one with elderberry, and it's all natural, so I just decided to try this one out. But I made my popcorn, and I have my squash in here. It just needs to be buttered. Doggy. And then my peppers and onions. So this is the puffer that I have to take right now until my cough subsides, and I think it's finally starting to help me a little bit, because my cough hasn't been too bad today. But I just I think the last time I talked to you guys was at dinner, I think, or maybe a little bit before. Maybe I showed you guys what I was gonna eat. But since then, I uploaded VLOGMAS Day 1, and now I am just getting ready for bed. I'm really tired. Tomorrow I have a busy full day. I am going to see the Nutcracker. And if you guys are watching the VLOGMAS, I guess you will see that tomorrow. But I'm gonna go do that, so that's very exciting, and it's gonna be a good week. It's gonna be a good week. Positive things are coming, good vibes, good week, super excited. And I'm just gonna brush my teeth and go to bed, and I'm really sorry that Vlogmas Day 3 was not that eventful, honestly, because I was just feeling very sad and very down today, so I didn't feel like whipping out my camera and recording, but I want to be as raw, as real, as transparent as I possibly can. And I just want to say again, thank you so much to everybody that's tuning in for Vlogmas. Thank you so much to everybody that subscribed to my channel, supports my YouTube, supports my